How to turn on activity notifications on Reddit. Hello guys, how it's going today? I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel. So let's start. First you will just go to Reddit, then open it. And after that, when Reddit is opening, you will just go here to your profile icon here, then go to settings, and then on settings guy, go to the first option, account settings. Click on it and then go to manage notifications. Click and you will find here activity. So if you want to turn activity notification, you have to turn on all these things here like this. As you see, all things you have to turn on activity notification. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.